Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in again today. I'm really sorry that I look so scruffy, but I am just having a major slog day today. Hope that's all right and I hope you don't mind. I am back today with my March 2018 Birchbox. So this is this month's Birchbox and it is gorgeous. It is absolutely stunning. I love it. That's the back. The colour combination is just beautiful. It is so nice. And yeah, I mean, this is only the third one that I've had, but this is definitely my most favourite box design yet. So before we look into the box, let's just have a look at the leaflets. So March's Birchbox is all about mindfulness. Be present, not perfect, it says. So yeah. So inside there it's got the details of all the products, which obviously I will go through. And then it's just got a little coupon for money back when you shop in the Birchbox shop. So this month it's not in collaboration with anybody, it's literally just Birchbox. So this is the contents of my box this month. It looks pretty exciting. Let's dive in and see what we've got. Okay, so first product that I am pulling out is a black eye mask. So in the blurb here, it's a hydrogel eye mask and the RRP price of this is £22 and that's for a set of 5. So obviously this is just one set. I take it it's one use only. So this says concealer goes some way to disguising late nights, but what about when you're feeling truly exhausted? Enter blacks to the rescue. First cleanse your face, then remove the film layer and pop these pads on about 1 centimetre below each eye. Leave for up to 15 minutes, letting the activated charcoal detox and depuff congested under eyes. Then gently peel off to reveal bright, well-rested peepers. This is something that I'm going to need. I'm pretty sure actually I picked this because most months you're able to pick a particular item that will go into your box. And I think this is one that I picked because, yeah, I do suffer with quite puffy eyes in the mornings and dark circles. So can't wait to give those a go. Next item that I'm pulling out, I'm a little bit disappointed in because it is absolutely tiny. So this is the Glamglow Supermud. So I take it it's a face mask, but this is only 15 grams. And yeah, it's tiny. It's so small. Look how small that is. So anyway, this says Glamglow Supermud Clearing Mask Treatment. The RRP price for a tub of this is £42. Wow, it better be good. So, as the name suggests, this Glamglow formula really is a Supermud with super combo of activated charcoal. I'm sensing a theme going on here. And a blend of 6 acids. Apply a thin layer to clean skin and leave up for 20 minutes while it unclogs your pores. Then rinse to reveal seemingly poreless and radiant looking skin. For those with sensitive skin, you can use solely on the T-zone or dot it on as a spot treatment too. Brilliant. Okay. I am interested in this, so I'm going to have a whiff. Ooh, so that, yeah, it does look like a charcoal mask. Don't know if you can... Oh, it smells like licorice. I hate licorice. And it's really strong scent as well, really strong. But yeah, I'll give that a go and see how we get on with that. Okay, so the third item that I'm pulling out of the box is this Amika Bombshell Blowout Spray. Very pretty packaging. I'm a sucker for pretty packaging. Okay, so the RRP price of this is $14.99. So if it's good, it's not going to break the bank, which is great. And this says, why head to the hairdresser when you can create a big bouncy blow dry in the comfort of your own home? Just divide your damp hair into sections and mist this lightweight spray from roots to ends before blow drying. Not only does it offer heat protection, good, but it nourishes and adds professional standard volume. If your hair has fallen flat the next day, just spray into the roots to add a little extra lift. Oh, so that's really good. So this is one that you can use the day after. So last month in my February Birchbox, I did receive another blowout spray, which was from Bumble and Bumble. I've used that a few times and I feel that it leaves my hair crispy. Like if you spray just a little bit too much of it in one spot, then there's no brushing it out. It just feels crispy all the time. So looking forward to using that one. Yeah, definitely going to give that a go. So the fourth product that I'm pulling out of the bag is this Rituals, the Ritual of Sakura. Celebrate each day as a new beginning. What is this? Oh, it's a sensational foaming shower gel. Organic rice milk and cherry blossom. So that's it there. And it says that this is a full size item as well. So the RRP price of this is £4.50. So showers can be just as relaxing as a soak in the tub. You just need the right products. This luxurious gel is infused with sweet smelling cherry blossom and organic rice milk to smooth your skin and calm your mind, transforming into a thick lathering foam on contact with water. It provides a skin softening clean with hydration that lasts all day. And then in brackets it's got psst, a little of this stuff goes a long way. Oh, so even though it looks small, hopefully that'll last quite a while. To be honest, I'm not one for shower foams, so I think this is what's going to be going in the giveaway for the end of the year. And then the final item is the one that I've been waiting for. When I heard that this was going to be in the box, I was so excited because I was so close to buying it anyway. So this is the Bad Girl Bang a Mascara from Benefit. Oh, I'm so excited about this. It's amazing. I can't wait. Obviously, it's just a sample size. So this says it lasts for 36 hours. In all honesty, who wears their mascara for 36 hours? I don't know, but some people might need to. So yeah, let's take a look at it, shall we? And oh, that brush is amazing. It's right up my alley. Look how long that brush is. And apparently there are loads of bristles on there as well to help with clumping and things like that. So yeah, oh, I'm so excited to give this a try. Oh, and I forgot to say that the Bad Gal Bang Mascara, the RRP price for this is £21.50. So there we are then, guys. That was everything that I received in my March 2018 Birchbox. I hope you really liked the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also, leave me any comments that you'd like to in the section below. And also, don't forget to subscribe if you want to be in with a chance to win the giveaway at the end of the year. So the giveaway at the end of the year is going to be a product from each Birchbox from each month. And then in December, I will be doing a big giveaway. And all of those products will be going to one lucky person. So yeah, once again, thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.